Okay, we finished the map. That I don't like the yellow color because I think it's the same tone, and I changed it to blue and it pop up and nicely. So I'm going to save it and then we will move on. The last one is create a new table for a one-to-many join. So we're going to 7. Let me close it out again. Okay. So data in a database commonly has a code field that by itself is not self-documenting. For example, crime data may have as crime type only the FBI hierarchy code 1 through 7. The meaning of these code is these codes is 1 equal criminal homicide, 2 equals forcible rape, and then 3 robbery, and number 4 is aggravated assault, 5 is burglary, 6 is larceny theft, and motor vehicle theft. So to break the code, we're going to need a code table with the 7 code in one field and the descriptions in a second field. In this video, we're going to create the code table, create a template for its field, template to its field, enter data into it, and join the table to crime data. So this join is called one-to-many because the same code table record. And for example, the one for homicide is joined to many crime incidents, all of them homicides. So we can use a field domain as an alternative approach for adding code values such as crime type to a table. This alternative is most relevant when the descriptive name of the code is itself the code and there are no scriptic code values such as the FBI hierarchy. The code values become part of the table so that, for example, when responding police officers enter new crime data using collector for ArcGIS, collector's data entry from automatically with a job list with all crime types available for selection rather than requiring a user to type. A job list improves data and integrity because crime type codes are not typed but selected from the job list. This feature eliminates the potential of misspelled words and guarantees that the user will retrieve all relevant records. For example, after a query of all crimes of a certain type. And now we're going to go to map and bookmark Pittsburgh. And we're going to create a new table and search for and open the create table tool. And the table name, we will name it once we have it. We don't need symbology. And I'm going to go to analysis tools and create table tool. Create table there, and data management tool, create table. And for the table name, I will say UCR hierarchy code. And then run the tool. When it finishes, we're going to we do not have a template. And then we will open field design that we will put the domain there and add 2 fields hierarchy with the short data type and crime with the text type and the length are 25. So open the table and then 7 records as shown here and automatically enters the object ID for us. So we will click edit and save them when we finish. So now we do have a table and right click on it, open attribute table. And of course we have nothing here and we will add, it's ready for us. So we will click to add a new row. Back to data. No, not view, share, edit. It's in edit. Okay. Okay, right click on it, open, and it doesn't let us to do anything. I don't really like to be docked. I really like the floating. So go to Fields View. There, so click here to add, okay? And the first one will be hierarchy, okay? And then hierarchy. And data type. So this one will be short data, short for hierarchy, and then short format numeric, okay. No decimals. Click OK. And then length. So short data, I don't need length for here. And then this one is crime. Crime. And data type this is short. And this is long. And this is text. Text. Not long. Text. And this one will be 25. Okay, now I'm going to save it. Data. This is weird. I don't know if I have to restart. I don't see the tab coming out. Okay. And if I closed it, are you sure? No. But where is the save key? I think I'm gonna restarted it. Let's see. Cancel project and save. Yes. Let's just restart it again. And I don't see anything here. Attribute table. Okay, earlier I saw save. There, I don't see the save. Fields. Oh, right here. It's in fields. I forgot, in fields. Okay, now saved. And then open. Okay, now we have a hierarchy and we have a crime. And we just have to edit it. Okay, so I'm going to click add a new row. So 1, and then add another one, 2. So 1 here will be criminal homicide. And then we have forcible rape. And then we have robbery. Number 3, robbery. Okay. Number 4, aggravated assault. How come here is null? Okay, and then 5 is burglary, and number 6, larceny, theft, and number 7. We will have a motor vehicle theft. Perfect. Okay, now go back to data. I don't have to save it. Okay, click enter. There. Okay. Data, attribute, view. How do I save it? Edit, save. Yeah, save all the records. Okay. So we're going to make one-to-many join. So we will join the new code table to the maps crime layer to make crime type available for use. So we look at the attribute table for Pittsburgh Series Crime Summer 2015 and see that it has hierarchy as a field but not crime type. And open attribute table. Yeah, it has the hierarchy, but we don't know what type of crime it is. So now we can right click on this table and go to relates and join. Relates, joins and relates. And we will say add join. And that we will have hierarchy, input join field, hierarchy, table is this one, and hierarchy keep all the records and run the tool. So this is one-to-many, and it's done. And right click on it and let's open attribute table. And now we know what kind of so look at the crime attribute table again and we will see the join attributes. So we can symbolize the Pittsburgh Series Crime Summer 2015 with unique values and crime as the value field, although we could improve symbolized of crimes by giving each crime a different shape symbol. We will not do that. So the point is that we can see the code table is benefit with the legend in the contents pane label with crime types. When we finish, we can save and okay, close it out and at join. We will see. Okay, right click on it and go to symbology, and we can just use unique field. That will help. Okay, unique values, and we will add all the values. Oh, not description. Yep. Okay, loading symbol. Oh, let's see. Just give me 1 second. Cancel. Wow. So not graduated symbol, proportional, unique value, single symbol. Let's see. Not single symbol, unique values. Can I just do, oh, not addresses, hierarchy, not hierarchy, crime, yeah, crime. There, so that would do. And you can use different colors there. So that, and we go to more and do not show all values there. Okay. We go to project and save and close it out. We're going to move to chapter 5 for spatial data. So the most important that maps provide is location. Going to close it out. Where is an object or even positioned? So is it the project or is the object on a major street with good access? Is there a barrier to accessing it? Such as a river, is it a certain area where are similar things positioned? So what or who is near it? There are some of the questions that maps can answer.